Hey guys! Each one of us has some pandemic challenges, but teachers and students are facing a real struggle here. We all know that being in front of the computer is not the same as being in the classroom. So, to help you make the best out of online tuition, we step in to show you how to record awesome video lessons for students. You might think that in order to make a good video lesson, you need some special software knowledge and designer skills. Actually, this is absolutely not necessary, and you can make wonderful video lessons by simply recording your screen. And for that, the only app you need is a nice screen recorder. So I'm presenting to you ScreenRec, one of the best screen recorders on the web. There are lots of great things about ScreenRec, like for example, you can record in high definition with no watermark, zero lag, and the best of all, absolutely for free. Let me show you how it works. First, go to ScreenRec.com and download the app. The installation is very easy and straightforward and will take no more than a minute. Click on the icon and here you'll find the settings. You can choose a different mic if you have an external one and decide whether or not you want to record your webcam as well. Make sure this toggle is enabled if you want to record system audio. And we are good to go! To start recording, simply click Alt and S and choose the area you want to capture. You can capture the whole screen or a specific part of it. Then click on the video icon to start recording. Since you have no time limit, you can record for as long as you need. Once you're done, click on the stop button or again Alt plus S. Your video is automatically uploaded to your own 2 GB private cloud storage. Go to your gallery and you'll find your video here. You can download it locally or copy the shareable link and send it in an email, message, or pretty much paste it anywhere you like. Your students don't have to download anything. They only need to click on the link to watch their lesson. Recording a video lesson for your students is a great way to convey knowledge, because your students can watch the video as many times as they want and need to make sure they got everything right. So that was all for today. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please share them in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching!